Okay, we're here at part 2 with the solar garage. This is just before we get to the garage again. Another shot of Vauban. Plenty of public transportation, and as you can see, get a wide shot. We're here at the solar garage, and that's what it says there. And you can see the solar panels on top. That's my bike there that I'm riding, because 70% of this town does not, they don't have cars. So that's the bike I'm riding. And then you can see the solar panels on top of the garage. As a matter of fact, I'm going to walk over towards it so we can get a better look. You can see it in solar garage. It even had the name on the side of it, and you can see a rack of solar panels there, and of course the name solar garage here.